Are you struggling to pay bills? Tired of all the internet scams you've heard that go nowhere? Did you know you can earn money today by doing simple writing jobs? You can get paid to write short articles, review websites, get paid to respond and read emails. You can edit and proofread content and get paid. Get paid to write blog posts. And this is an easy job. Join today and get an incredible bonus, $3,780 worth of free writer's tools. You need to join Writing to Wealth. Just go to albertgrande.com/writing or click the link below.